Hi everybody, it's AJ Country here at the Big Knob Grange Fair in Pennsylvania. Here we're going to start off with the tractor display. We got an Oliver 2255 with a Caterpillar in it. Now this is a beast, 4-wheel drive. That thing could go about anywhere. We got an International Diesel 660, a Farmall Diesel 350, here is a John Deere A 1940. Then we have my International BN 1941 that I brought. We have a John Deere MT that I also brought to the show. We have an Oliver 77 row crop, an Alice Chalmers C. We have a Farmall F30. It's really nice. We have a Farmall M, Minneapolis Moline R, a Lincoln diesel generator. This is pretty nifty. Crock Shot 20. Massey Harris 101 Junior. A Massey Ferguson. A Crock Shot 580 Super. A Farmall 1206 Diesel Turbo. It's a big pipe on top. Big stack. Big Firestone tires. Big 3-point. Huge. Alright, we have a Crock Shot 40. We have a very nice 1655 Oliver diesel. Over here we have a Farmall M. We have a Crock Shot 30, Oliver 1550. Then over this way, we have an International 766. Then we got a 1066 back here. These are two beautiful Internationals, and the Olivers were really nice as well. Every tractor out here is really nice. We have a Farmall Super A, a Farmall M, then over here we have a Alice Chalmers G. We have a Cub Cadet 682, a Case VAC, and Alice Chalmers CA. And Oliver 1855. We have a Farmall 240. I mean, these I don't see that often at all. Like, I mean, it's pretty rare if you find one, especially with the narrow front. We got a Oliver, I'm gonna guess 77 row crop. We have an Alice Chalmers WD and Alice Chalmers WC from the 30s. We have a Farmall 560 diesel. That's definitely big. We have a International 826 with a Cummins in it. I mean, this is amazing. Wow. Now we got an Oliver 880 diesel. We have a Minneapolis Moline diesel. We have a Farmall H. Another Farmall H. Farmall H. And one more Farmall H. It's like everywhere I go, there's like a Farmall H or a Farmall M. They made so many of them. It's just unbelievable. Alright, we already seen these ones. We're starting off with this Farmall A. We have a Crockshot 30. Farmall M. Another Farmall M.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Or do you want to go down there to those ones that we usually go to?
Farmall M. And a Crockshot 570. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos today. Please subscribe to watch more. And I thank you guys very much for doing that. Helps me a lot. And thank you for watching.